So now let's proceed to lesson 27. This is an everyday expressions again, a dialogue in the kitchen. So here in this lesson, we've learned how to speak in Cebuano dialect through a dialogue in the kitchen. So here in Cebuano, if we say init ang stove, so the stove is hot. So the word init here in English is hot. So init ang stove, the stove is hot. Puno na ang kalaha, the pan is full. So puno here in English is full and kalaha is pan. So puno na ang kalaha, the pan is full. Sometimes it doesn't vary on if it starts on the first sentence, then here also it starts in the first sentence, but it vary on how we used the sentence. So puno na ang kalaha, the pan is full. Hait ang kutsilyo, the knife is sharp. So the word hait here in English is sharp and kutsilyo is knife. So hait ang kutsilyo, the knife is sharp. Again, as I told you, that it doesn't matter on how it starts. So sometimes it vary on how we do the sentence. So like hait here, it's sharp and kutsilyo is knife. So hait ang kutsilyo, the knife is sharp. Hinlo na ang mga hugasanan. The dishes are clean. So clean, the word clean here in Cebuano is hinlo and hugasanan is dishes. So hinlo na ang mga hugasanan, the dishes are clean. Lutuon na nato ang mga pagkaon. Let us cook the food. So the word pagkaon here is food and lutuon or magluto is cook. So, lutuon na nato ang mga pagkaon. Let us cook the food. Oras na para mukaon. It is time to serve a meal. So, here the word time is oras. And para mukaon is to serve a meal. So, oras na para mukaon. It is time to serve a meal. Hugasi og maayo ang mga gulay. Wash the vegetables thoroughly. So again, hugasi here is wash and maayo is thoroughly and vegetables is gulay. So hugasi, the word hugasi again is wash, maayo is thoroughly, and gulay is vegetables. Hugasi ug maayo ang mga gulay. Wash the vegetables thoroughly.